Hello, my name is Brady Phelps. Welcome to assignment 2. This one's about rotating the objects and whatnot using the GUI and adding additional functionality to the GUI. Here's my project. As you can see here, I have this GUI with some controllers on it for the different translations as well as the global and relative rotations. This is linked up to this jet up here. So first, X translation, Y translation, Z translation. And here we have the relative X rotation, relative Y, Z, global, Y, global Z. And you might notice these are going in different directions. That's because my original orientation of my plane is rotated. It's because I apply an original rotation matrix to it when I originally set the display matrix. Just because I wanted it facing horizontal when it faces me. So originally when you see this like relative X and this global X, they're going in different directions because it's not synced up with the global matrix over here. So to dive a bit more into that, to actually access this jet was a little bit tricky. I just had to basically create a pointer to the jet over here, and then when I created it as an object into the world, I just had to set a pointer to it, which is somewhere up here. Yeah, just set the pointer to it. Then when I created the GUI, because I wanted to be able to access this from the GUI, I just basically set a pointer in the GUI to the same memory. So over here, I just created another pointer for a world object that I also named jet. And then over here, that's where everything happens. So you can see I just have a bunch of buttons on the GUI that do a bunch of different rotations and translations. And I just call these functions. It's really straightforward. You might notice I reset them all to 0. That's just because I felt it was easier to control when I reset these values to 0 at the end of each time. Here, this offset is for the translations because I just start them at 0.5, so I have to subtract it each time. Additionally, as part of this ImPlot demo, I added ImPlot functionality. So if you look at like this demo I got pulled up here, obviously I have this interactable ImPlot down here, which is going to be a little bit difficult to use because this window is so big. But something cool with it, I tied in a little bit of functionality. So here, this model is a quantum key distribution protocol where we have snoopers interacting with the photons being sent from the bottom up to this plane. And so now that I've enabled snooping, as you can see, the quantum channel noise has increased. So I've tied that together with this snooping functionality. You can also set speed, and as this speed increases with these translations, but also you can see here the ImPlot increases, and if we increase it again, you'll see the speed increases again. For added functionality, I guess, to this ImGui demo. Yeah, and just I guess a little bit more about that. There's a bit more to that. It's a bit more complicated. But if you're interested in that, you can check out my repo. And yeah, thanks for watching.